Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon Scarlet and Violet error code 2318-0006. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to play online matches. Many shared that the game constantly disconnects during team selection, with most disconnections happening before the match even starts. According to our research, this error is most likely related to unstable internet connections, router settings, or issues with the network band being used. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your Nintendo Switch along with your internet. Once restarted, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then disconnect your internet from the device, then remove the save connection and reconnect to it again. After reconnecting, check for the error. If the error still persists, then try switching your connection. Some players fixed it by using a mobile hotspot instead of their router. So we also suggest you try this and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still continues, then check if your router supports multiple frequency bands such as 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If so, set up a new internet connection on your switch and connect to the band you are not currently using. If you are unsure, contact your ISP for guidance. After switching, check if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.